how to put bullet points side by side in Word. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step on how you can do it, so let's get started. In order to do so, you may open up your Word document first, and once you open it up, you may locate up the insert option from the horizontal menu at the top and create up a two table. So just go ahead and create up a two-sided table like this. And once you do that, you may just go ahead and type in the points that you would like to convert into bullet points. So just go ahead and type in that like this. And once you go ahead and type in, let's head over to home. Select all of these and select up home and select up this option right here. Or you can also select up number instead of the bullet points if you prefer. And you should be finding it like this. So the next step you can do is once it is selected, you can click on the table like this, select all and select this option right here and select this borders and shading and select the option none and click on OK. And once that is done, you may click on a blank space and there you go. You should be finding the bullet points side by side in Word. And that is it. So you may also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll see you in another video.